Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you all of my rewards and dividends since the beginning. So if you guys have been watching this series, I've been getting a lot of questions on this, a lot of comments on showing me my rewards and dividends to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now, rewards with Robinhood is really simple. Basically, what I do is I take this referral code and I put it all over Facebook, Twitter. It's underneath these videos in the description. And basically, when I invite a friend, we both get a free share. Now, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft are great companies. They have 1 in 150 chance of getting that stock. And I'll talk about how I got my Facebook share for $179 in just a little bit. Now, you also have a chance to win GE, Ford, and Snap, but those are just chances. You will always get a free share. So real simple, invite friends by sharing the link, get a free stock when they sign up and their application is approved, and then track the referrals. Remind your friends to sign up so you don't miss out on getting free shares. So with that said, I want to go ahead and go over to my rewards, and as you can see, August 11th, I had 2 shares right off the bat, $3.62 and $4.10. And then I got another one August 17th, 19th, 21st. I got a big one here, which was Sprint for $8. I got another one on the 21st, the 5th of September, and then not again until October 5th, October 20th, October 24th. And then I got AMD on November 12th for $11.27. Super duper cool. I got Zynga for $3.86, and then on November 18th, I got Facebook, $179 for Facebook. Cost was free, guys. Super cool. All because Anthony Z signed up using my link. Thank you, Anthony, and thank you everyone else who's used my link to get started with Robinhood. Got Siri December 2nd. Groupon on the 3rd, Zynga on the 3rd, Zynga on the 12th, a lot of Zynga, Chesapeake on the 6th, Snap on the 9th, Zynga on the 11th, Siri on the 21st, Zynga on the 25th, Chesapeake on the 6th, Zynga on the 6th, Zynga on the 16th, and then recently pending stocks from Robinhood. I do have quite a few pending still, and then also it's kind of glitched because I've gotten new shares now in May and June, but they're not appearing on here, so I'm not sure what that is. I've actually put in a request for Robinhood to kind of take a look at it, but that's kind of where we are now. So I'm at, not counting the ones that I've gotten recently, because there is one even that I'm holding now, we're at $330 in just rewards alone, guys. This is pretty much passive income to me. I put the link in my description, Facebook, whatever, and other people go and do the work, sign up, and use my link, and I just get a free share for having a link. It's really cool. I suggest you start spreading your link around if you do have a Robinhood already. And then with my dividends, I have been doing good with dividends. Recently, I haven't been doing so great. At 71 cents on a single share in October. I like doing Gladstone Investment and Gladstone Capital. They provide a monthly income of 7 cents per share. Got 41 cents from Lowe's, 35 from dividend from Energy Partners, another 30 from LP Common, 25 from Morgan Stanley. Just really cool getting dividends, 72 from Bank of Canada. And this is all explained in my dividend capturing strategy that I have. I'll probably want to make another video about it soon. And basically what I was doing was just buying them before the ex-dividend date, holding through the day, and then basically reselling a day or two later. So it's really cool. With that said, I am not doing so bad right now. I wish I could do a little bit more. I've just been busy with work and stuff. Abby for 71 cents, Amgen $1.32, Pepsi Cola, my biggest one. I had 4 shares of Pepsi Cola, 80 cents per share, gave me $3.22. So not too bad. Apple Hospitality RIT 10 cents, Realty Income 22 cents, and so I've just been getting nice small amounts of income through dividends. I also have a couple pending right here, and that's kind of where I am on my dividends. So right now we're only about $15 in dividends, but again, it's pretty much like a passive income. I owned a company and they paid me out basically by saying, hey, thanks Johnny, and that's pretty much it. So for all of you watching, I know you guys have seen that I hit the $1,000 mark, and then I took 500 out for a investment opportunity, which is still going great. And then I had actually some unexpected car maintenance issues, so I actually pulled out another 500, left about $30 in my account, and this is basically where I am now. So if I go to my home screen and I show you the month, we are actually up 32% for the month, guys. I've made over $15 through just some new free shares that I got for people signing up. Like Zynga right here is one of those free shares. Chesapeake is one of those free shares. So if I added that to my 330, I'd be pretty much at 338, almost 340 in free rewards. As of right now, though, I am up 32%, not too bad. $15 for the month, and basically off of stuff that I have here. Invax, I just picked up, or NVAX, SENS, very good upcoming companies for under $5. ZNGA and CHK are really good companies under $5 as well. So if you only have $5, guys, you can get started investing today with $5. Sprint is at $5.45, Siri is at $7.46, Glad's at $9.22, Gains at $11.95, and CHY is at $12.67. With that said, CHY, GAIN, GLAD are all my monthly paying dividends. So every month I get 7, 14, like 21 cents just for holding these three companies, plus anything that they go up on. So if I clicked Glad here, right now my cost was at $9.10, equity is $9.22, so I'm actually up 12 cents plus the 7 cents every month. So that's actually 20 cents right now, and it's actually really cool using this setup. I like using it online better than my phone, and I mean the phone's good for when you're on the go, but I really like the way this is set up. If I go to my account, you can see how they pie graphed it in a way. I have it here on total returns, but actually let's go ahead and do it with equity. And so right now CHY is 20% of my portfolio. This one's about 20% and this one's 15%. So that's 20, 40, 55% of my portfolio is literally just dividend income that's coming in, and I have a few smaller ones that are hopefully going to be up and coming with 26 cash available to buy. No day trades this week, and unsettled funds and rewards are at 445 still. I'm not sure what happened with all that, but I'm at $61.61, guys. I'm down 22 cents for the day. I'm down 34 cents for the week, but ultimately I am still up $15 or 32% for the month. So definitely looking forward to some growth. If I could keep the 30% going, then I would actually be at 82 by the end of July, 109 by August, 145 by September, 193 by October, 257 by November, and by December 31st, I should be back up to $350 in my portfolio. So I'm really pushing myself to get to that goal. And if you guys want to go along with me on this journey, you're more than welcome to. And I know you guys were probably watching the other video showing that I was going to double my money in 3 months, 500 to 1,000. But again, like I said, a lot of unexpected stuff came up, so I'm kind of starting over a whole new series, and hopefully I could stay pretty consistent with it. So basically, this is me just trying to get back up to that $1,000 mark. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash the like button, comment, and share with someone you think might find this very educational. And other than that, guys, have a great weekend.